Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. I am late. It's been one of those weeks, guys. I know Red is traveling. He did not do a live today, and Marty is still feeling a little bit under the weather, and I know he didn't do a live, so I will jump in here, let you know what's going on today. So at Red's 2 o'clock is canceled in the UK, I'm pretty sure. That's one of my favorite presentations, and that'll resume probably next week because Red's coming back from Spain. Greece, I apologize. And what we have going on today is 3 o'clock. We have the Peter Shore public. I will post it on this right after I get done with this video. Ooh, I've had a couple rough nights with this sciatic nerve. It's killing me. So I'm all goofed up. But anyway, so that's at 3 o'clock, Peter Shore. It's a public. Like I said, I'll post that on my Facebook after I get done with this video. And then at 8, I got to say hi to everybody. Hold on. Helen, how you doing? Donna, Jonna, Alan, what's happening? Dawn, Jay, Jacqueline. So then at 6:30 tonight, we got the Julie and Milo. I'm not sure who's presenting tonight. And I talked to Julie and forgot to ask her. And then after that, we'll be doing the 8:30 Hey show with myself and Narelle Warcon, excuse me. And we'll be just doing a fun trivia. It was worked out pretty good last week, just something for fun. Might be some Onpassive questions in there, and then every other question. But I get a lot of texts this morning about, hey, what's going on? Well, if you listen to Ash Mafara, what he said is middle of October, things will be happening. So just be patient and wait for that. No details that I know of yet, how we're going to do that, but I'll also keep that a secret. Founders, you know all about that. Also today, hey, John White Barbershop is in the house. What's happening, buddy? And today is the final day for the new old founders greets. I know Julie had put the directions in the back office under leadership, what you got to do. Let me explain that real quick. There's a WhatsApp number in there. You get that WhatsApp number and you leave a 5-second greet, whether it be hey, whatever you want, under 5 seconds, 5 seconds or under, and then send it to that WhatsApp number. That's being all sent to the corporate, where they're going to put it together, and that will be the greeting when you open up on Founders. It'll be anyone that sent a message in, and he'll rotate that, and it'll be pretty cool. I'm sure that's going to go on for quite a long time. But today's the last day. So you don't send a video. You just go to that WhatsApp number. You send your little voice message to there under 5 seconds or under, and it'll get to the right place. A lot of people are sending videos now. We don't do videos, guys. This is just speaking only. But most of you know what's happening in October. I know you're all pretty excited about that. So the next couple weeks is going to be, well, I never know when Ash is going to show up. He shows up sometimes out of the blue and catches people off guard. But I think he said enough in the last week and a half to get you crazy. I still have people texting me, Chris, this is not real. It is real. You don't have to waste your time texting me that, guys. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this. It's an amazing thing. Still asking for prayers for Marty and his family. I have not talked to Marty today. I'm trying to give him a break from talking on the phone, let him rest. He's still really tired, just to let you know. His grandkids are doing great. His boys are 100%. His granddaughter's still a little under the weather, and so is Dawn, his wife, and himself. And they're just real tired. They're not having any really major issues. It drains you, I guess. So keep your prayers up for them. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. I have not looked at my birthday request on my Facebook yet. What else? But, you know, the greatest thing about this is it really is only $97. You really don't have to do anything. I was on the Caribbean webinar last night with Admire Walker and Dr. Derek, who did a really cool presentation, a different kind, about foundations. If you get a chance, once we get that recording, we'll post it. You can check that out. And like I said, every once in a while, someone changes the presentation up, and I really enjoy that because a lot of them are the same, like the repetitive stuff, and that's okay. But every once in a while, someone comes out and does something different. But really cool stuff there. But I got to get going. I'll see you guys all on the webinars later tonight. Don't forget about them. I got to post them, get them posted on my Facebook. The Julie Milo will be put in the back office under webinars. Also, the Hey Hey Show will be put under webinars. So that's where we're not going to put them in the Leadership Council area no more. We're going to try to clean that up a little bit. We have a lot of people posting there, so they'll all be under webinars. I also did post a Aussies Girls and the Kiwi Guy link. That's for Monday, which is like our Sunday night, I believe, here. Checked it out. Very good presentation. In my top 5, I have 5 of my favorite presentations. That's one of them. I'll never tell you who's won and who's number 5, but know that you're in there. Really good. They do a great job. But get in this. I'm getting all kind of texts right now. Julie. So don't forget the Julie Milo Show tonight at 6:30. Hey Hey Show at 8:30. Peter Show at 3 o'clock. And I'm going to get off here and post these all on my Facebook. All right. I love you all. Stay excited. I'm just tired, guys. I'm healthy. I'm just tired. And I've got a sciatic nerve that's just been tearing me up for 3 months. So I got to, as Julie says, I need to take action and get to the chiropractor, the doctor, which I have to do. So I love you all. We'll see you later. Let me see if I missed any names. Kenton, what's happening from the New Zealand? Ooh, who else is on here? Robert Oates, what's happening? Tony Badrawi, how you doing? North Dakota. Pam Turner. Bill Must, I thought you weren't going to get on here. Don't forget to check out Bill Must. He does excellent videos. John White and Bill Must did one the other day. It's in the back office under leadership. I suggest you check it out. We are really blowing up with Obless right now. We got a lot of people doing videos on Obless. Bill is helping them out with that. Timmy Johnson still making some amazing photos for everybody. John White with his amazing words. We are appreciative of that. We love you to death. Dan Street's in the house. Holy cow. So whoever, if I hear, so check out Bill Musk's channel. We have a lot of things on YouTube now, which Ash likes because he's able to see him. He does not have a fast Facebook, guys. Someone out there created their own Facebook with Ash's name and is trying to sell you stuff. Don't do it. You know better than that. You know better than that. Put out the warning, report it. You can go in the back office and report that to the legal team. All these are being reported, so keep that up. Thanks for helping out with that. And who am I missing? I think I got everybody. If I missed you, I have Tracy Richards, Haran, Rashid, how you doing? Babu, what's happening? Tina, how you doing, Tina? Abe Wahad, how you doing? Man, these names are tough for me this morning here. All right, I got to get going. I love you all. I'll see you on the webinars. Keep sharing. Keep going. Don't stop. This is happening. It's coming. It's coming. And when it does, boy, are you going to be smiling from ear to ear. All right. I love you all. Did I forget anything? No. Remember, today's the cutoff day for the greetings for the O founders. Once today's over, don't send any more. Don't send any more. That's going to be a done deal after today. All right. We'll see y'all later. Ciao.